you comfortable? Hi guys, thanks for watching this whole thing. I'm Jessie Sage, and this is my new co-host. Today I'm really excited because I'm going to be unboxing this Introverts Retreat box. I actually put a sticker on it to cover my address so that I could go ahead and start opening it. So Introverts Retreat box, I'm very excited because I've worked with them before. I've actually worked with them for years, but I haven't done a new unboxing in a very long time. It first started a couple years ago by this woman named Shireen, who is an introvert. I started working with them years ago. I can't remember exactly how many years ago. It's been a while, and so I was really happy to see this in the mail because I just think these boxes are so cute and they really make me happy, and you guys seem to really like them too. Why can I not get this? There we go. Ta-da! You can now tell that I was propping it up on another Introverts Retreat box that I have that's empty. Oh, that's perfect. Ta-da! So basically the concept of Introverts Retreat box is a subscription box method, and each one comes with a book. You can specify which kind of book you want, if you want like fiction, nonfiction, or a couple of different categories, or surprise. And then it comes complete with all different little things that you would need to have like an introvert's night in. So if you just want to stay home, curl up with your book, it has everything that you need basically to enjoy just a little time for yourself. So I'm going to open it up. Oh, so she sent a little note. Said, "Hi Jessie, haven't sent a box in a while, Shireen." Which smells really good. So this is the October Introverts Retreat box. What is that? Oh, that's so thoughtful. It's just so weird, like, getting older and time passing, like, that I could even have worked with somebody for years, or that like they would just like think of me and be like, oh yeah, I haven't sent her one in a while. Like it's cool once you've like put your mind to something and like done it consistently, what actually starts to happen. Having a little what is this? It's British, what is it called? Yorkshire tea? Yorkshire Gold, or Yorkshire? How do you say it? Yorkshire? That sounds weird. Tea with some oat milk and honey, but I made a cold one. So this is a little card that says everything that's in here and a couple of little details. She's definitely updated the card and everything like since I last got one, and it's really cute. It's very clean and simple, and I really like it. It says, something missing or damaged, let us know, we'll fix it. Ask us about our best book promise. So that's cool. I'm not going to read everything that's in here because I want it to be a surprise. And each box comes with a bookmark too. So this one says, my favorite sound, nobody talking to me. And then it says Introverts Retreat on the back, which is great because I never have a bookmark, so I just tend to stick these in books so that I have them. This looks vintage. Okay. It's called The Dying of the Light. This is the part where we judge a book by its cover. The Dying of the Light by Robert Goulrick, author of A Reliable Wife. So this is a novel, so this is a fictional one. It says, a brilliant mashup of all the old greats, Faulkner and Fitzgerald and D.H. Lawrence. So that's good. Always love a good Fitzgerald reference. Okay, so now I'm going to read the back. So if you're not interested, just skip ahead like 30 seconds. It begins with a house and ends in ashes. Diana Cook was born with the century and came of age just after World War I. The daughter of Virginia gentry, she knew early on that, other than her famous beauty, her parents only had one asset, their stately house, Saratoga. Sounds just like me. Though they are land rich, The cooks do not have the means to sustain the estate. Oh, this is going to get juicy. Without a wealthy husband, Diana will lose the mansion that has served as the fabric holding her family together for 5 generations. The enigmatic Captain Copperton is a stranger in the ranks of Southern aristocracy with no pedigree but plenty of cash. Seeing the ravishing 19-year-old Diana for the first time, he's determined to have her. Okay, Copperton, calm down. Diana knows that marrying him would make the cooks solvent and ensure that Saratoga will always be theirs. Yet Copperton is vulgar as well as cruel. While Diana covets his money, she cannot abide him. Carrying the weight of Saratoga and generations of cooks on her shoulders, including Ratatouille, she ultimately succumbs to duty, sacrificing everything. His name isn't Ratatouille, is it? That would have been funnier if I actually knew his name. Put it in the comments if you know his name. She ultimately succumbs to duty, sacrificing everything, including love. Oh no. Luckily for Diana, fate intervenes. Her union with Copperton is brief and gives her a son whom she adores. Oh no. They're telling us a lot already. But when her handsome, charming Ashton, now grown, returns to Saratoga with his college roommate, the real scandal and tragedy begin. Oh, so is this like 2 generations or something? Huh. Well, looks very cool, and I'm very excited to give this one a read. Alright, let's see what's next. See if I can put it here. Oh my god, that's perfect. Okay. What? Ooh, so it looks like there's tea. Oolong Tea, Iron Goddess of Mercy by Octavia T. Oh no, my battery's low. It's okay. It'll make it. OctaviaT.com. And there's some little cookies on the back. Let me see. White Chocolate Chai Tea Sable by the Southberry Baking Company. Another thing that I like about these boxes is that they use a lot of like local and other small businesses and stuff. So it's cool for them to also get their stuff out there. Those look really good. There's usually tea. I don't know if there's tea every time, but there usually is in some sort of little snack. So I might be saying some stuff that if you've watched my old Introverts Retreat unboxings, you already know. But pay no mind. Wow, this is heavy. How the concept is like, it's like a little moment for yourself. So I feel like the tea really goes with that, because it's like you can just kind of plan to like take a bath or curl up on your couch with a little blanket and then light a candle and have your tea. So everything like goes together. And also it's especially good for introverts because you don't have to actually go to the stores and like collect those things. Like she's already like thought of all this. Oh, this is really cute. My favorite sound is Nobody Talking to Me. Bath Salts by Introverts Retreat. Blackberry Bramble is the scent. It has aloe in it too. That's nice. It's like moisturizing. I'm just gonna open this because I want to smell it. I think that's what smells so good. It's kind of coming through the package. I really like the branding. Shireen, if you're watching this, I love your new branding. It's so cute. I love how chic it is with the black and everything coordinates, and yeah, I really like it. It's very like introverted. Like it's black and just sort of seems like a quiet, like something about the black and like the other shade of this. It's not like white. It's like a cream. Ooh, that smells really good. I'll show you. So this is what's left. And you can just see how cute and aesthetic that is. Let me set up back. So one thing I do, because I don't have a bathtub is I will use these for like a foot soak. Ooh. Ooh. This is a scented soap. Oh, this is also what smells really good. And the scent is berry sage. And I'm Jessie Sage. That's my cousin. Oh, it smells really good. And it's got these little cubes of color in there. I just love, like, it smells really, you can really smell the sage. The berry is just a little bit sweet, but the sage is really nice because it's really clean and fresh and just, like, you can just smell, like, the cleanness of the essential oil. There's shea butter in here too. That's good. It's really moisturizing. Oh man. Oh, my box is gonna fall. Ah! Get in here. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Ah! I saw these on their Instagram. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. Ooh. This is also blackberry sage scented, but it's a little more blackberry than the soap bar is. Oh, it smells like it has a little bit of cinnamon in it too, which, like, cinnamon and blackberry is so good. I don't know if you guys know that, but I've made this blackberry cobbler, and if you put just a little cinnamon in it, not too much, it's just such a good flavor. I love this, and I'm just so happy because, like, I've always loved Introverts Retreat and always, like, loved just taking that little moment and, like, using the whole box kind of at once. But I love that she has, like, sort of redone things since the last time that I got one, and it's more, like, cohesive and it's her brand, because that's just so cool that, like, she's doing her own thing. And then there still are, like, a few things that are from other small businesses, like the tea and stuff. I'm obsessed with this. I'm such a candle lover. Is there really anyone in this world that doesn't love candles? But I really, really, really love candles. Ugh. I'm not going to light it right now because I have to leave to go either rollerblading or skateboarding. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Or longboarding, I mean. Before it gets too dark. And one tip with candles, a lot of you guys probably know. Allow your candle to burn for at least an hour or two for the first time. That's super important with candles because the first time you burn it, you're setting the pattern of how the candle's going to burn. So if you burn it for just a little bit, then it'll have a small little circle like that of wax. And then when you blow it out quickly, the next time that you burn it, you've already set the pattern. So it's never going to burn all the way out here because it can't. It'll, like, get drowned in wax. So it'll only burn a small little tiny area all the way down. And it also just won't burn evenly, but it just won't use your candle very well. So that's why you want to let it go for 1 to 2 hours the first time, in case you guys didn't know. And also it says, Comfort Candles, Introverts Retreat, hand poured by humans, never robots. I'll get a little clip of it burning later, though, for you guys. And that is everything. Oh, I almost spilled my tea. If you guys want to get your Introverts Retreat box, definitely use my code Jessie. It's just JESSE. And you will get 15% off your first order. You can get just one box if you want, or you can get, I think it's 3, or you can get 6 months or a year. You can get different, like, amounts of subscriptions, but just so you know, you can get just one box if you want. So some subscription boxes you have to like actually subscribe for a long time, but with this one you can get just one, and just try it out if you want to. And that is an affiliate code, so I get a little bit of a percentage of that when you guys purchase, so that helps my channel and it helps you guys get 15% off. All the links for introvertsretreatbox.com will definitely be down in the info box below, but it's just introvertsretreatbox.com, so it's pretty easy. What else? I'm wearing my Svengoolie shirt. I almost forgot to mention, my uncle gave me this, and actually it is a show that I have not watched. I hate to admit to say, because I want to know, because it looks amazing, but I haven't been able to find it, and he watches it on some obscure like cable channel that he has. But yeah, I think I'm gonna have to get into it. So I mentioned my store, and if you want to check it out, it's shopthisoldthing.com. That's the website. And then I'm also on Poshmark, Depop, and Instagram. My Insta is at shopthisoldthing. I'll just put it all below. But that's where I sell vintage and unique clothes, handbags, and lingerie. Bags and lingerie are sort of my specialty, so definitely check that out if you're interested. And you guys come follow me on TikTok, because I'm doing really well. Like my account is really growing over there, and I get a lot of views, but I don't see a lot of people that I know, and I don't get a lot of like comments from people that I actually know. So if you're on TikTok, come on over and follow me and say hi. It's just at this old thing. I hope that you guys are having a great October. I can't believe it's already October, but I'm trying to soak it up as much as I can because I love it so much. I love Halloween season and Samhain season and spooky season and all the seasons, and my birthday is November 3rd. Ooh, did I just kick my light? Oops. My birthday is November 3rd, so I especially love it, and Scorpio season also. So yeah, I love it. Like, I'm in Florida, so it doesn't get chilly very much. It's cooled off a tiny bit, meaning like it's in the 80s. So it's always hard to like get in that fall mindset when physically it's incredibly sweaty when you go outside. I'm still trying to feel it anyway, watching Halloween movies and shows, and I have like a little list of a few movies that I want to watch for Halloween that are just new ones that are new to me that I haven't watched before. So if you guys are watching any like Halloween shows or movies, let me know what they are so maybe I can add them to my list. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!